So that's what I'm going to be peeing into. Outdoor urinal. Let's get it.
Time to take flight, son. I'm blowing fire out your mind, third eye, son. We are what they fear, son. Intellect in motion. And I pick the closed mind, I am open.
So I'm using all the resources that I already had. I wasn't trying to go out and buy anything else. Very simple things. Got a 5-liter water bottle. Got a coupling that was already here. Plastic cup. Piece of pipe. And gravel. It's already been there. What I did, I shaved off the threads off the bottle, made a hole in the bottom of this plastic cup, put it on there, turned it into a funnel, grabbed that, dropped it in there, filled the whole thing up, right? Now I'm done with that. Then I went ahead and dug this 2-foot deep hole, and I'm gonna drop that in there. I'll be using some of this caulking and some nails to go right around the inside there to make sure that it stays nice and snug on here. Then I'll put extra around here and then set that in. So you can go as deep as you want. I'm just going by that depth right there, and we'll see what that looks like. So I just put the caulking on the inside of it and on the outside. I'm gonna clean it off and put some joint tape around there for extra security. That's the coupling on there right now. Gonna go ahead and put the pipe on now. Went ahead and put caulking on the inside of the coupling, then put the straight edge right down into it. Use this waterproof joint tape, seal it up nice and tight, and I already added some gravel down there in the pit. I'm gonna drop the whole thing in there and pour the rest of the gravel that I got in there. Nice, nice, nice. Just like that. Here we are. Everything has been buried. And then I went ahead and took another plastic bottle, put it in the coupling, and cut it out in this formation. Not gonna put any sealant on it because it goes directly in, and that just gets slotted right on there. Could pull it off whenever I want and put it on. And that's it. It's a wrap. Unless you want to see me use it, you know it works. I'll give you all an update on it in a few months. Peace.